See and eat something. You can eat for $9.99 all month long. And grab a burrito and drink for $3 delivered to ship guaranteed. This is how it's done. Hey,
You little. Whoa!